Now let us consider the program which will add AX and DX. Our task is finding the status of PF register after the add operation. Okay, what will be PF? Is it set or reset? We will be moving 1260, that is 1260 in AX register, then 20 in DX register, then we will add AX will be 1280. Okay, let us check this. 1260 it is for EC, and this 280 it will be 500 in hexadecimal. Okay, after this operation, what is the status of parity flag? Will it set or reset? Okay, let us check that. So the program is loaded. Let us press F7 to single step. AX is now 00. See, the parity flag is 0 now. AX is 00. Okay, we are executing this program, this statement. AX is changed. Then DX also changed. DX is equal to 14. Then we are performing add AX comma DX. Okay, let us see what happened to this parity flag. Now it is 0. Add AX comma DX. It is set. That is, the result is 500H. 5, the binary pattern is 101, so it has even number of ones. Okay, so the parity flag is set. The result is stored in AX register. AX content is 0500. It has even number of ones, therefore the parity flag is set. Let us terminate this program. Here we are testing the parity flag when it is set and when it is reset. Let us consider this program. Here we are adding BL and DL register, and result will be stored in BL register. Okay, we are keeping 01 in BL register and 02 in DL register. After adding, we will be getting 3. The pattern stored in the BL register will be 00000011. It has 2 ones, so the number of ones in the result is even. So this PF should set. Okay, let us check this. We are using turbo debugger and loading the exe file. Okay, you can see move BL01 and move DL02. Okay, let us do single step, plus F7. Okay, BL changed. Next DL, now DL is 00. It will be changed to 02, and we are performing add BL comma DL. Now BL is BL is 01. Okay, it will be changed to 3. Okay, let us check. And at the same time, the parity flag P, it is 0. We are expecting it should be 1. Okay, after this execution, execution of this instruction. Okay, let us check. Add BL comma DL. We are pressing F7. Okay, PF is set now. The result is 3. You can see BL equal to 3. Okay, next let us terminate this program. Here we are using the higher order AB register, that is BH and DH. Same data. After the add instruction, we should get BH equal to 03. Again, it will be containing even number of ones, so PF should set. Okay, you can see move BH comma 101 dh comma 02, then add bh comma dh. Okay, let us execute this. F7 can watch the changes in register contents. Bh it is 01, see the dh 0000. Now we are performing move dh comma 02, dh is 02 now, then add bh comma dh. bh will be 3 after this. Okay, bh is 3. C parity flag is set. Okay, initially it was 0, now it is set.